Now if you were zigzagging last, put your machine back to your straight stitch, and now we're going to stitch with a 1/2 inch 12mm seam allowance. Now you do not want to stitch your foam pocket closed, so do not stitch in the area of your foam pocket. You stitch up to that point. Yeah, now remember, you're only stitching from there to there, stopping, stitching from there to there. Don't stitch your foam pocket closed. Remember, you're stitching with about a 6mm, 1/4 inch seam allowance. Again, don't worry if that's not neat. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be neat. Now if you don't mind a little hand sewing, you can, if you want, just tack that on there, but I don't like to hand sew, so I attach mine a little differently at the end. Zigzag. Okay, so now we have a very interesting looking bag. Fear not, we are now going to turn our bags through the hole in the zipper pocket. Like a miracle, the bag is born. So just go ahead and poke everything, run your fingers around all the seams to make sure everything's out and turned properly. A good press. I'm still working through the hole in the zipper pocket and running my fingers around all the seams just to get them out properly. And then when you're happy that it's all good, it's time to close the hole in your zipper pocket. Again, I don't like to hand sew, so I just run it over to the machine and stitch the bottom closed with the machine. Line up those edges. Yeah, and just run it just pretty close to the edge. Need to make sure the edges stay nice and aligned. Check the back Make sure it hasn't gone off anywhere. Don't want a hole in the bottom of your pocket. Now that you've finished stitching the bottom of your pocket, you can just pop it back inside the bag and poke everything back into place. One final touch, what I do is just put a few little stitches right into the seam there, just to make sure that this top gusset lining doesn't droop. Pin it from that direction. And put just a few stitches. Now that you've finished sewing, just check everything over for any bits of thread that needs nipping anywhere. Sometimes those pieces stick out from the seams or something. It's nothing worse and more unprofessional than bits of thread poking out from your bag. So just go around and when you find any, get rid of them. And then we need to press. The foam pocket needs a good press. I find I roll it with my fingers, give it a good finger press, and then I lay it flat. Get my iron in there as best I can. Just give that a good press. Just keeps the edge a bit nicer. See, that wasn't that hard now, was it? Congratulations, you've now finished your bag.